Today I will introduce for you how to set up a Hoian bamboo lantern. Now we are going to start with the 45 cm spaceship lantern. The first step is to make sure that all of bamboo ribs are poking out. If one of them is poking in, it will prevent lantern from being to open. Place the lantern holder between the legs to protect the grip from being damaged during the open process. And all you have to do next is push down. Once the two pieces of metal touch the bottom of the wooden ring, give the metal a little bit of squeeze and bring one side up through. And then turn the lantern, pull down and lift the other one up. The last step is to make sure that the metal pieces are pushed right over and even in the inside grooves. To make sure the metal pieces does not fall out of the wood grooves, use a moderate force to pull the iron frame to the two sides to fix the frame. Note: do not press the lantern holder firmly down on a hard surface. Strong pressure will make the lantern holder to be deformed and unable to hook the tall lamp.